What is going on, guys? Greggles TV. This is going to be a video about the 7 things that I love about the Pixelbook Go. So let's get into the video. First one has to be the display. Now the display, I was a little bit concerned about it because it's a 1080p display, but fret not. This display is bright, it's beautiful, the colors pop, and it just looks fantastic overall at different angles, straight on, playing games, watching videos, surfing websites, using apps, whatever you're doing, it looks great on this display. The second great thing about this display is it is a touchscreen. So if you're in there and you're using apps or surfing the web or playing games or whatever you're doing, you can do it with your hands on the display. So it just adds another function, another layer to using this tablet, a little bit easier, a little bit more fun as well. A big selling point about the Pixelbook Go is the Hush keyboard, and they did a great job on keeping the volume of typing to a very, very low volume. And overall, it's just easy to type on, it's comfortable to type on, and again, I totally enjoy using the keyboard on the Pixelbook Go. And also, speaking about the keyboard, it's backlit, so you're using it at night or in a dark environment, it's gonna light up so that you can see where you're typing, what you're typing, all under the night sky or the night room, whatever it is. It looks awesome. Again, great job, a great function to have in this. The fourth amazing thing about this Pixelbook Go is it runs Android apps. So not only does it run Chrome OS, which is basically just the Chrome browser, but it also, like I said, has Android apps that you can download, so you have access to the Google Play Store. If you want to download Netflix, or you want to download the Facebook app or some other app that you want on their Instagram, again, whatever app pretty much that's in the Google Play Store, you can put on this tablet and you can use it to its basically full potential. Because remember, you have the touch screen, you also have a built-in keyboard, you also have the ability to use the trackpad. So it's kind of cool because sometimes some of these apps you might have never used with a built-in keyboard or a touchpad. So it's almost learning and using these apps sometimes as a new way, or again, just use the touchscreen and it'll feel like old familiar, but it's really cool that you can download Android apps. The next thing I love about the Pixelbook Go is the weight. It weighs in at about 2.3 pounds, and it's definitely one of the lightest laptops I have ever used in my life. And moving it around my house is no issues at all. And the quality of this as well, you would think at 2.3 pounds it might feel like crap. Totally not, guys. It feels great in your hand, and the quality and the premiumness of it is awesome. Since you're paying a little bit of a premium for the Pixelbook Go, you better hope that it has snappy performance, and this one does. This is the i5 version, and it does great with just moving around Chrome OS or within Android apps or surfing the web, playing games, watching videos, whatever you're doing, it's gonna handle it with ease and no frustration or lag. So again, awesome performance with this laptop. And the last thing that I love about this Pixelbook Go is the battery life. I'm averaging about 11 to 11 and a half hours of battery life. So just even when I'm not using it, if it's just sitting there, the battery's not like dead and gone after a few days. It's still really, really up there. And then also just using it from watching movies and videos and surfing the web and using apps, it doesn't, drain the battery like, oh my God, I only got 3 hours of use. I'm getting, like I said, about 11 hours of usage with this laptop. I'm gonna say tablet because it's got a touch screen, but whatever, guys. It's an awesome little device. I would definitely recommend picking it up. I know it's a little bit on the pricey side, and I will put out a video of the things that I kind of don't like about the tablet, and price definitely is one of the things that I think is gonna keep people back from it. But if you do decide to get it, I really think you're going to enjoy it. It's linked down below. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.